In this video, we will explore the kick setting feature. In real-world design, routes often don't align in height or direction. Normally, you'd create a 90-degree bend, then adjust height and path manually. Kick setting automates this, creating a smooth 3D connection that adjusts both at once. It also lets you choose which route to draw the connection from. How to use it. To demonstrate, we'll set up some routes from a source to a load panel at different heights. In this example, we used a pre-made run and uploaded an Excel sheet to continue with the setup. 1. Enable north-south and east-west elevation views. 2. Set a height difference, for example north-south at 3 feet and east-west at 2 feet. 3. Create the run between the routes. 4. Open kick settings mode. Each route shows 2 arrows. Blue means active, the direction used to draw the connection. Gray is inactive. 5. To demonstrate the difference in kick direction, we'll divide the routes, 3 facing one direction and 3 facing the opposite. 6. Click Generate Routes to draw the path. 7. Once the routes are generated, click Visualize in 3D to view the generated connections. Now we can clearly see the difference between the routes created using kick settings mode and how it enables smooth transitions between misaligned paths automatically.